Dental implants in the USA, what you need to know. Dental implants are a permanent, natural-looking solution for missing teeth, and they're more popular than ever across the United States. In fact, over 3 million Americans already have dental implants, and 500,000 more get them each year. If you're missing a tooth or struggling with dentures, dental implants can restore your smile, confidence, and ability to eat your favorite foods. A dental implant is a small titanium post that's surgically placed into your jawbone. Over a few months, your bone fuses with the implant, creating a strong, stable foundation. Then, a custom-made crown is attached, blending perfectly with your natural teeth. Implants can replace a single tooth, several teeth, or even support a full set of dentures. Why are dental implants so popular in the USA? They look, feel, and function like real teeth. They help prevent bone loss and facial sagging. With proper care, they can last a lifetime. You can eat, speak, and smile with confidence. What about cost? In the US, a single dental implant usually costs between $3,000 and $5,000. Some dental insurance plans may help cover part of the cost, but coverage varies, so always check with your provider. If you're considering dental implants, make sure you have healthy gums and enough bone for support. Consult a qualified dentist or oral surgeon for a full evaluation and personalized treatment plan.